Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart backup and how to transfer data on the Google Pixel 9a. Alright, so let's begin. So, as you can see, we are on the setup process of our phone. And now let's click on Get Started. And as you can see, the first option we have on the screen is setup using another device, and we are definitely interested in that. So on the Pixel, let's select Pixel or Android device. And on the second phone, we automatically have setup Pixel 9a. So let's click on setup. And now we need to scan the QR code. All right. The phone is automatically connecting to the Wi-Fi. And now we need to wait until this process is finished. It might take a little bit, so we need to be patient. But it shouldn't take that long. Alright, now we need to verify using our pattern from our previous phone. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, now we have copying our account. Alright, now we have our Google account, and now we need to enter the password. So that is what I'm gonna do now. So just give me a second, please. I'm gonna quickly type the password to move forward. Alright, click on next. Okay. Now the phone wants us to connect to mobile network, but I'm gonna click skip for now. Okay, now the PIN. If you don't want to do it now, you can click on skip. You can do it later in the settings. Alright, and now copy data from your Android device. We want to click on next. Okay, getting ready to copy. But also, if you want, you can do it later. I'm gonna show you how also. Alright, and now we want to choose what we want to copy. Okay, so in here we have the available storage. So 1.4 gigabytes of 88 gigabytes available storage. And it's gonna take about 2 minutes to finish. And for now we have selected apps, messages, device settings, and the call history. For example, when it comes to the apps, we don't need to, copy all of them. We can simply select or unselect the apps that we want. So it is completely up to you. Alright, so let's say I'm only gonna copy those 34 apps and nothing more. Okay, so sorry. Including the messages, device settings, and the call history. My bad, sorry. Alright, now simply click on copy. Now the process should start. Now we have the Google services. In here we can enable to use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. I suggest you shouldn't disable that, but it's completely up to you. You can read everything for yourself. All those. What these options does. Okay, then click on accept. Now we have Google services backup your device. I suggest you should enable photos and videos and other device data, but it's just like I said, up to you. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, now click on next. Now we need to select the default browser and the default search engine. In my case, the default browser will be Google Chrome and the search engine as Google. Click on set as default. In here, you need to click on next. Click on next again. Now we have the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. We can click on use or not now, but we can enable it still in the settings later. In here, click next. In here, I'm gonna click that I agree. I'm gonna skip the Google Pay for now. In here, I'm gonna click on no thanks. In here, I'm gonna click yes. I want to stay up to date. Alright, and now we can see on both phones that the copying is done. So click on done. We won't be needing that phone anymore, so we can click on close. Okay, his job is done. Okay, and now as you can see, we are all set. Alright, now we can also change the system navigation settings. Now we have 3-button navigation, and also we can select the gesture navigation. And it's up to you. I'm gonna leave the 3-button. Now we need to tap the home button to go to the home screen. Simply tap, and now our phone is ready to use. Okay, so that was the first method. Alright, and now the second method. So as you can see, we're again in the setup process. So in here, we're gonna click on skip. And in this method, we will want to restore the backup from the Google one. If you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video when we are showing the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. Alright, now we need to simply connect to a Wi-Fi, so that is what I'm gonna do now, so just give me a second. I need to type my password and connect. Alright, now again, getting your phone ready. This communicate always shows up really often. Alright, so now let's wait. Now checking network info. This also might take a few minutes, so we need to keep on waiting. Okay, I'm setting this phone for myself, not for my child. Okay, we need to keep on waiting. Alright, and now we need to log in into our Google account, the same Google account on which we made the backup. It is crucial because if you log in into some other Google account, you won't be able to restore your backup. So it is really crucial. So now I'm gonna log in into my mail. So just give me a second. Alright, I tapped my mail and now I need to type my password right in here. Alright, then click on next, right in here. In here, click on I agree. I'm gonna skip connecting to the mobile network. Click on skip. Just like in the first case, I'm also gonna skip the pin. Okay, copy apps and data. We want to click on next. Alright, and now we have this restore data from another device. And I want to restore my backup from the Google Pixel 9 that I made 1 hour ago. So I just need to simply click on it, click on next. Now I need to confirm using my Google Pixel 9a screen lock. Alright, now we need to wait, and now we want to select what we want to restore. So again, we can restore apps, contacts, device settings, and the call history. And also the Google Photos and Gmail Calendar and Drive data will be automatically restored. So let's say I want to restore everything, or actually when it comes to the apps, let's say I want my WhatsApp and I don't know what else. Alright, nothing more. Let's say only the WhatsApp. Alright, now click on restore. And now the process will start, so we need to keep on waiting. Now again, we have those Google services, just like in the first method, so I'm not gonna describe it again. I'm just simply gonna go and rush through. Alright, click on next. I agree. I'm gonna click on I skip. Now click on no thanks. Yes, I'm in. Okay, again, getting your phone ready. We need to wait. Okay, and again, we are all set. Swipe up to go home. And our phone is ready to use again. Alright. The WhatsApp will download. In the background, you need to be connected to the Wi-Fi. You can see that 12 applications are being installed from the Google Play Store. And also, if you don't want to transfer data and restore the backup during the setup, you can always go to the settings and do it anytime you want. Then look for the backup or copy data, select copy data, bring data from another device, and in here you can click on start. You can also see on the previous page that you won't lose recent data, and make sure that the phone is charged. Okay, now simply click on start. This method is for those people that want to transfer from another phone, which is exactly the same thing that I have shown as a first method. Oh, something lagged. So let's try again. No, now it doesn't want to launch. I don't know why. Okay, let's try again. So let's open up the settings once more. Okay, backup or copy data. Copy data using Android switch. Start, and now below you can click on restart from backup, which is basically the same thing that we did like 3 minutes ago from the Google one, of course. Alright, then simply follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.